In this video, I'll give you a quick breakdown on how to refund on Cnfans. If you got a faulty item or your order has never arrived, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. First, log into your Cnfans account and go to your order history. Find the order you want to refund and check the status. Make sure it's either delivered or in the warehouse. Refunds usually start after the item arrives at the warehouse or to you. Next, click on Contact Support or use their WeChat customer support service. Explain your issue clearly, whether it's a damaged product or wrong item or missing package. Be polite and include photos or videos if you have them. Then submit a request through their system. Cnfans will ask for proof, like quality check photos or videos you took when receiving the item. Make sure to respond quickly to any follow-ups. Now just wait for the decision. Refunds process usually can vary, but usually they'll hear back within a few days to a week. If approved, your money will be returned to your Cnfans balance or original payment method. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and like.